Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my Canva Masterclasses. In the previous lecture we have learned about magic media and how can use AI to generate virtual content. Today we are going to focus on specially on AI images, okay? And how to create unique images, unique text prompt using simple text prompt. So let's start. By the end of this lecture, you will learn how to generate AI images in Canva. This lecture is related to previous lecture. Magic media and AI images are related, same like little bit difference, okay? Choose best image generator, add AI images to your design. What is AI images? AI images are image generated by artificial intelligence simply on a simple description. Instead of searching throughout the stock, you can simply describe the image you need. And AI can create a visual based on your instruction. For example, a young woman working on a laptop in a modern office, natural lighting and realistic photography. You can generate image. So firstly, we how and where we can generate. So firstly, click on open Instagram, click on three dots, click on apps. Okay. After clicking on apps, search here AI image generator. Okay. Click on it. And now click on first one, which will show you firstly. Wait. So click on AI image generator. Use in exhaustive use in new design. And Instagram post, okay? Yeah, okay. So, here it will open. No. Wait. And simply write here a prompt. I will write this prompt, a luxury perfume bottle on the marble table. Soft golden lightning, elegant background, realistic product photography. So let me write. So here I have write the prompt and select the style, HD image, corner book. I'll select HD image. Now size, landscape, no scale, generate. Now here it will take some seconds and your image will be generate. So you can see that my image is in rigid. Add to your design. And now I will media. You can see the lightning, the enhance, the everything, okay? Try changing the prompt by adding different details, style, lightning, background, colors, camera lights, okay? Now, some real examples. I hope that you have understand how to generate these kind of images, AI images, using prompt. I will give you prompt for some homework, and you have to generate images and send me on Instagram, or send one Instagram. If you don't want to send one Instagram, then put on Instagram story and tag me, or put on post and tag me. I will issue. Now common mistake, write very short prompt, not specify the style, not checking the generated images, using images without reviewing them. Pro tips. Like I have made a perfume bottle. Instead of saying perfume bottle, write luxury perfume bottle on a white marble surface, soft golden lightning, minimal background, premium product photographing. So, practice assignment is 3 prompts. Number 1 is a luxury handbag on marble table, soft studio lighting, premium product photography. This prompt you have to generate images and send me. Technology. Second prompt is of technology, a fantastic AI workspace with a laptop, glowing screen, modern, dark environment, and cinematic lighting. Generate this and send me, okay? Third is travel. A beautiful tropical beach at sunset, crystallize crystal clear water, palm tree, and cinematic photography. This is from number 3. Don't choose your favorite image. Choose your favorite image and send me to your design. Okay? Canva free certificate reminder. Remember to receive your free Canva Master Certificate. Complete all 60 lectures and practice tasks. Like and comment on every video. Subscribe to my channel. Complete your practical work and share it me on Instagram by tagging me or send it to me Instagram messages. Complete the full course and practice task to become eligible for free certificate of Canva Masterclass. Okay? Good job. Now you know how to create AI images in Canva. In next lecture, we can learn about background removal, which is very short and just 1 second click, okay? And see how easily we can remove background from images. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. Keep practicing and I will see you in next lectures. Allah Hafiz. Happy designing.